If you're negotiating a Microsoft Enterprise agreement, here's a truth most CIOs and procurement leaders overlook. Microsoft wants the deal as badly as you do, sometimes more. Their reps are under pressure to hit internal sales targets tied to specific products. Think Azure consumption, Microsoft 365 E5 upgrades, or long-term unified support renewals. Your job? Exploit that pressure strategically. Let's say your EA renewal is due and your unified support agreement is also expiring. Don't negotiate them separately. Bundle them. Tell Microsoft, we'll extend unified support and renew our EA now, but we want an extra 5% off license pricing to make that happen. You've just increased their deal size and created leverage for yourself. Same applies to product pushes. If Microsoft's pushing you to upgrade from Office 365 E3 to E5, don't reject it outright. Instead say, we're open to E5, but only if the cost increase is negligible. That conditional interest often triggers deep discounting because the rep's compensation is tied to E5 adoption. Bundling deals and expressing strategic flexibility gives Microsoft the win they want while getting you the pricing and terms you need. Call to action. At Redress Compliance, we help you understand what Microsoft wants so you can use it to your advantage. More value for them, bigger discounts for you.